Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to share your Waze location. So here, if I scroll down, you can see your recent locations, and you can easily share these by holding on to them. So if I hold on to this, for example, this airport, I can click on send a location, okay, and we can share it with people, for example, on WhatsApp, Facebook, messages, Gmail, any social media or any method you want to go and share. We have our home and work here saved as well. For example, home, I can go ahead and send this location to maybe friends, family, or anyone like that. And then, for example, let's click on WhatsApp. And here you can click on any number and share it with them. So let's say you want to share with this one and just come here, click on send. For example, I'll just do it here and just click on send just like this. And you are sharing this location. And there you go. It's really that easy and simple. So I hope this helped.